Is Windows failing to load because of the WIMG-API-DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Before we get into the technical process for WIMG-API, you can find a professional diagnostic utility for system environment review. This is the WIMG-API, the Windows Imaging API. It provides unmanaged routines for capturing and applying Windows image to WIM files, facilitating the deployment manifest for system data links. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching command prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scan now to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as WIMG-API-DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with WIMG-API. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM /online /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Protect your digital environment by ignoring unofficial download links for WIMG-API-DLL that could lead to identity theft or the permanent loss of sensitive project files. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. For users interested in automation concepts, the maintenance and repair kit linked below provides background information on managing WIMG-API. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved WIMG-API workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.